The U.S. plastics industry depends on skilled engineers to maintain production, improve efficiency, and keep up with growing customer demands. But finding qualified engineering talent remains a challenge. 3A Immigration Services connects U.S. plastics manufacturers with pre-vetted Mexican engineers from our established talent pool. Our candidates bring experience in plastics manufacturing, process optimization, industrial automation, mechanical and electrical systems, quality control, equipment reliability, and continuous improvement. For eligible positions and candidates, the TN Visa program offers a practical pathway to hire Mexican engineering professionals. We coordinate recruitment and guide the immigration process from candidate selection through the visa application. Strengthen your workforce and help move the U.S. plastics industry forward. Schedule a free workforce evaluation with 3A Immigration Services today. The right talent for the full potential of your plastics operation.